In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and customize themes for your online store. Whether you're looking to refresh your store's appearance or give it a complete makeover, customizing the right theme is essential for creating the perfect shopping experience for your customers. So let's dive in and make those changes happen smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to your online store's website. This is your hub for all things related to your e-commerce journey and where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up your store's design and layout. Once you're there, look for the section where you manage your themes. This is usually in your store's admin panel, often labeled something like themes or design. Now, to bring a fresh new look to your store, you're going to need to import a new theme. Find the option that says Import Theme. This is where we begin adding a touch of uniqueness to your online storefront. Click on it and then select Upload Zip File. If you're wondering why you need a zip file, it's because themes are typically packaged this way to include all the necessary files you need for the design. They contain all the template files, style sheets, and sometimes even scripts that give your store its specific look and functionalities. You likely have a theme zip file already downloaded on your computer. If not, you'll need to download it from your theme provider or marketplace where you initially got it. Once you have that zip file handy, go ahead and add it to the uploader. This might take a few moments as the system processes the files and gets everything in place for application. Once the theme file is successfully added, you're almost there. The next step is to click on Publish. This is an exciting moment because it's when your store gets its new look. After clicking Publish, your store will immediately update with the new design. But we don't want to stop there because a theme out of the box might not be unique enough for your brand. The final touch in this process is to customize the theme. Click on Customize to access the theme editor. This is where you can tweak all the visual aspects, like colors, fonts, and layout choices, to ensure the theme aligns perfectly with your brand identity. In this customization panel, you'll find various options to add your personal flair to the theme, from changing header images to adjusting the overall color scheme, ensuring it represents your style and meets your functional requirements. And that's it. You've now uploaded and customized your theme, giving your online store an exciting and personal new look. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your store not only looks professional, but is also inviting, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy theme customizing!